Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here an income generating home for sale. It is located in Palmer's Cross, Maypen. It sits on 0.25 acres of land with floor space of approximately 2,000 square feet. Realize immediate returns on your investment with this property as it comprised of two-bedroom, one bathroom self-contained flat and one bedroom studio apartment. The building is less than 10 minutes from Maypen Town Center. Contact your realtor of choice to schedule a viewing appointment. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 30 million or US $188,300 to purchase or make an offer. Please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.